Hello everyone. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a quick unboxing as well as a thorough sound test using this USB microphone bundle made by the company Maono. Now the particular model that I have here with me today is the PM461TR, and Maono markets this USB microphone as being portable due to its small form factor and size. Now, perhaps one of the most noteworthy things about this microphone bundle is probably going to be the price point at which this microphone comes in at. So at the time of the recording of this video, you can find this USB microphone selling on Amazon for approximately $29 US. However, this price can fluctuate. So my first impressions was that, okay, you're getting all of this you have the microphone, the accessories for $29. Would it be possible for a company to put together a good sounding microphone at this price point? Just to give you a little spoiler, I did try out this microphone and I have to say that I was actually surprised with the sound quality that was being produced by this microphone. But this is something that we will get to in the later half of this video. But let's get into the unboxing for this microphone bundle just to evaluate the quality of the different accessories that comes inside this microphone bundle. Okay, so in terms of the accessories itself, you will notice that there is a mini table stand. So this is going to give you an option for mounting your microphone. The top portion of it is made out of a hard plastic, and the base has metal legs. Now, normally I don't prefer using the table stand because it does take up some space on your desk, but at least they do give you an option for mounting the microphone, and you never want to hold the microphone either. So the fact that they've given you this is going to give you the best possible way of not introducing sound to your microphone audio. So this is definitely a plus that they have included this. But a nice go around to not using this mini table stand is actually through the use of this shock mount that also comes inside this microphone bundle. So this shock mount portion, you would simply screw it onto the mini table stand here, and then you would sort of mount the base of the microphone onto the ring opening that you see here. But if you don't want to use this, the base of this shock mount is also compatible with a scissor arm stand, which is how I normally like to use my microphone. So the fact that they sort of thought ahead and they sort of made the shock mount compatible with either the mini table stand or with a scissor arm stand, I think is a definite plus. Now, although the scissor arm stand doesn't come included in this microphone bundle, you do have the option to purchase it after the fact. So I do appreciate that Maono has included this as a feature in this microphone bundle through the use of this shock mount. Moving further into the box, you will see that there is a foam filter, and this is definitely going to help you in terms of controlling the sound. So let's just say you're using the microphone in a very windy environment. This is going to help you to control that wind sound that might be introduced into the microphone. In addition to that, it's going to help you to control any type of plosives or harsh sounds. And the fact that Maono has included this foam filter into the microphone bundle at this price point, I think is actually amazing. All right. As mentioned before, this is a USB microphone, so it does come with a USB cable. In length, it's probably around 5 to 6 feet. And it is to be noted that the setup is pretty straightforward. So you take one end of the USB cable, you plug it into the base of your microphone, and then the other end would go into your Mac, your Windows operating system, or even with a PlayStation 4. It is to be noted that this microphone bundle, however, isn't compatible with Xbox. So this is a side note to be aware of. And here we have the centerpiece of the microphone bundle, the actual microphone itself. Okay, so yes, the microphone is made out of plastic. It is pretty light as well, but one of the things that I like is that they were able to include a gain volume control knob on the microphone itself. So the fact that they we're able to do this for such an inexpensive product, I think is a definite plus. And so this provides the user with a lot of convenience. So if you're in a situation where you find the volume levels are too high or too low, you can easily and conveniently control the levels by using this gain knob here. So as I did mention before, this microphone actually surprised me in terms of the sound quality. So I'm sure that you're looking forward to seeing how the microphone performs. So without further ado, let's get into the sound test for this USB microphone made by Maono. Alright, so I finally have the USB microphone all set up here on my desk. I'm currently using all of the accessories that came inside the microphone bundle. So I'm using the foam filter as well as the mini table stand, and it is connected to my PC via USB. So for this sound test, what I will be doing is I will be taking a recording from Audacity, and then I will insert it into the video so that you can hear firsthand how this microphone sounds without any processing. And then for the second portion of it, I will introduce some editing to the audio just so that you can see some potential of what the microphone can sound like. So as you are hearing me right now, it is through the lavalier microphone that I have connected here. So for that portion of the test, we will be using only the accessories that come inside the box. And then for those of you who want to invest in some accessories later on after purchasing this microphone, what I will do is I will do another sound test using a scissor arm stand as well as a pop filter, just to give you an idea of how that might perform underneath these types of circumstances. So without further ado, let's get going with this sound test using Audacity. Okay, so right now I have Audacity opened, and right now the sound meter is tracking the audio being picked up by the microphone. So I have the gain actually set to a minimum, so at its lowest point, but the microphone is still capable of picking up sound at that point. So if I were to just keep quiet for 1 second, you would see the noise floor for this microphone that it is actually pretty low. All right, so right now it is picking up some sound, but I'm going to assume that is probably coming from the fan that is on my PC, as well as from my lighting that has a built-in fan. So let's go ahead with this sound test so that you can see firsthand how this microphone performs. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a sound test using the Maono PM461TR USB microphone. Right now, there's no processing being applied to this audio, and I am positioned approximately 2 to 3 inches away from the microphone. And the gain is set to its minimum. And if I were to move about a foot away from the microphone, this is how it would sound. But I do have the opportunity to increase the gain to approximately 60% so that I can pick up more of the sound here. So now let's move on to the other portion of the test where we will apply some processing to the audio. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a sound test using the Maono PM461TR USB microphone. Right now, there is some processing being applied to this audio, and I am positioned approximately 2 to 3 inches away from the microphone, and the gain is set to a minimum. All right, so there you have it. This is how the microphone performs while only using the accessories that comes inside the microphone bundle. So for the next portion of this test, I'm going to mount this USB microphone onto the scissor arm stand here and show you how it sounds while using this pop filter. All right, so I have the USB microphone mounted onto the scissor arm stand, and I'm using the pop filter as well as the foam filter. So it's there, so why not use it? So let's go ahead, do the sound test as well using these accessories without any processing and then with the processing. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a sound test using the Maono PM461TR USB microphone. Right now, there is no processing being applied to this audio, and I'm currently positioned approximately 2 to 3 inches away from the microphone, and I am using a pop filter as well as a foam filter. And right now, I have the gain set to its minimum. Now with some processing. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a sound test using the Maono PM461TR USB microphone. Right now, I am positioned approximately 2 to 3 inches away from the microphone, and there is some processing being applied to this audio, and the gain levels are set at its minimum. Okay, so there you have it. This is how the microphone sounds while using these accessories. And if you want to figure out or find out more information as to how I do edit my audio, I do have a video on how I do this using Audacity as well as Premiere Pro, and I'll leave a link down below so that you can easily access and view that video for more information. In addition to that, if I'm going to make a comment about this microphone, I just have to finish by saying that I am pretty impressed by Maono's ability to sell a microphone bundle, not just a microphone, but also with the accessories as well, for $29 US at the time of this recording. And the fact that they were able to do this and still offer a product that delivers such great sound quality, in my opinion, I feel as though the audio is very rich and has a very nice tone to it. And for $29, if you're starting off, I think that this microphone is going to be ideal for that, whether you're doing gaming, maybe podcasts, maybe for YouTube, maybe streaming, anything of that nature. I think that this will be a fantastic purchase, and I think it offers fantastic value. So with that being said, this pretty much concludes this sound test, and I want to just say thank you for watching this video. And if you did like this content, please don't hesitate to hit the like button. And if you have any other questions, any comments that you would like to leave, please drop them down below in the comment section, as I do enjoy hearing from you. And if you like the content overall presented on this channel, then please hit the subscribe button, as it does help us, and it helps us to go a long way. So thank you once again for watching, and I will see you at the next video.